productive part. Now in the introduction, first of all, what is the meaning of whole number? So whole numbers are the numbers which are containing natural numbers plus 0. So for example, these are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. All the positive numbers from 0 to infinity are the whole numbers. Now here 1 से लेके infinity तक जो numbers हैं, that are the natural numbers. And when the natural numbers में हम एक 0 add कर देते हैं, then that numbers are called the whole numbers. Now whole number को denote किससे करते हैं? Denote. Now whole number is denoted as W. Now what is the meaning of predecessor and successor? Now as the name suggests, successor means कि जब हम success के बाद वाला नंबर, that is अगर हम कहें कि 4 का सक्सेसर क्या आएगा, तो आफ्टर 4 जो नंबर होएगा उसको हम कहेंगे कि ये 4 का सक्सेसर है. जैसे 4 + 1 5, सो 5 इज अ सक्सेसर ऑफ 4. जो नंबर 4 के बाद आएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड सक्सेसर. नाउ प्रेडिसेसर इज अ नंबर दैट इज कमिंग बिफोर दैट नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड द predecessor of number 6, then it will be 5. Similarly, if we find a larger number like 2856, अगर हम इसका predecessor find करेंगे, then it may be 2855. This is a predecessor of 2856. In a similar criteria, 7560 का सक्सेसर क्या होएगा? 7561. So these are the predecessor and successor of any number. Now let us do next is number line. That is how we will represent these whole numbers on a number line by applying the various operations. For example, if we consider a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will find 2 + 2 equals to what? अगर हम 2 + 2 को ऐड करते हैं तो वो कितना, उसका एडिशन कितना होता है? We can easily find it by algebraically, that is 2 + 2 equals to 4. Now how will we represent this addition on a real number line? तो हमारे पास आया है 2. Now we will starting from 2, our first number is 2, and we will move to the next 2 steps. Step 1, starting from 2, हमारे पास next number है 2, तो हम 2 step move करेंगे. तो 2 से 1 3 and next is 4. So 2 + 2 will be 4. So our answer will be 4. Similarly, if you want to find 2 + 5, then it will be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we want to find the addition of 2 and 5. That is addition on a number line. Now first number is 2, we will starting from 2. Next is 5, so we will move 5 next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 2 से start हुए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So our answer will be 7. Of course 2 + 5 is also 7. So we represent these operation on a number line. So hence in this way we can represent the addition of 2 numbers on a real number line. On a similar line we will do the subtraction operation on a number line. Subtraction on a number line. दैट इज रियल नंबर लाइन। नाउ अगर हम ये एक रियल नंबर लाइन कंसीडर करेंगे 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this is 10. Now this is a number line. Now we want to subtract 7 minus 5. So algebraically that will be equals to 2. Now we will represent it on a number line. Here first number is 7, so we will start from 7 and second is 5. So we will move 5 steps but in a backward direction because here we are doing subtraction, not an addition. Whenever we are doing addition, we will move the steps in a forward, but when we are doing subtraction, then we will move in a backward direction by one steps. Now here 7 is a first number, so starting from 7 and move 5 steps back. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So our answer will be 2. So hence 7 minus 5 will be 2. Now on a similar line, let us consider one more number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now let us suppose 10 minus 8. So here we will start from 10 and move 8 steps backward. Because our second number is 8, first number is 10. So starting from 10, second number is 8, move 8 steps back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So our answer will be 2. Now let us consider one more example. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now let 6 minus 3. Starting from 6 and move 3 steps back. 1 2 3. So our answer will be 3. So in this way we can represent the subtraction of two numbers on a number line. That's all. Now let us do multiplication on a number line. Starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 11 12 13 14. Now if we want to multiply 2 by 3, now our first number is 2, so we will start with 0 to 2 and we will move 3 steps. अब हमने दो नंबर लेने हैं, दो नंबर्स का एक स्टेप होगा और 3 स्टेप्स मूव करेंगे. 4 6. So 1 2 3 and 2 नंबर्स का हमने एक स्टेप ले लिया और 3 स्टेप्स हम मूव करेंगे क्योंकि अगला नंबर क्या है 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6. So our answer will be 6. Now if we want to multiply 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now if we want to multiply 4 multiplied by 3, then our first number is 4, तो हमने एक स्टेप में 4 नंबर कंसीडर करने हैं. So starting from 0 to 4, एक स्टेप में 4 नंबर्स और कितने स्टेप मूव करने हैं 3. तो 4 8 12. So our answer will be 12. And secondly हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 एंड 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 आर सेम थिंग। तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 दैट मीन्स हम 3 स्टेप्स करेंगे, एक स्टेप में 3 नंबर कंसीडर करेंगे एंड 4 स्टेप मूव करेंगे। दिस कैन बी रिटन लाइक दिस आल्सो। सो हियर एक स्टेप 3 नंबर का होगा और 4 स्टेप्स मूव करेंगे, 6, 9 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer will be again 12. So in this way we can apply the operation of multiplication of any two number on a number line. Now next we will do properties of whole number. First of all, closure property. Under addition, this can be written like under addition, अगर a, b, c तीन whole numbers हैं, then this can be written like a plus b equals to c. Now suppose we are considering it with an example. Now if we take a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, then 2 plus 3 will be equals to 5, which is again a whole number. Here 5 is also a whole number, so this is our c. So hence c हमारा क्या आएगा 5, which is also a whole number. So under addition, closure property holds good. Now next is under subtraction. अगर हम अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन की बात करें, then a minus b should be equals to c. Now let us consider a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, which are of course are whole numbers. Now a minus b will be, that will be 2 minus 3, which is equals to minus 1. But minus 1 does not belongs to whole number. That is जो हमारा c आया, which is minus 1, which does not belongs to w. But according to the closure property, अगर a, b, c तीन whole numbers हैं, तो addition of two numbers is equals to the third number. But in case of subtraction, in a similar way, a minus b should be equal to c, and that c is also belongs to whole number. But if we see the example, then 2 minus 3 is minus 1, which does not belongs to whole number. So under subtraction, closure property does not hold. Does not hold. So under subtraction, closure property does not hold. Now let us do multiplication. तो अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, अगर a और b दो नंबर्स हैं जो होल नंबर को बिलोंग करते हैं, तो उनका प्रोडक्ट जो है दैट विल बी इक्वल टू c. तो वो हमने चेक करेंगे कि क्या c बिलोंग करता है होल नंबर के सेट को. तो लेट a इक्वल्स टू 2 एंड b इज 3, देन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 विल बी 6, व्हिच इज आल्सो ए होल नंबर. सो c इक्वल्स टू 6 बिलोंग्स टू होल नंबर. सो हेंस yes, closure property hold in this case. Yes, closure property holds. Now let us consider the case of division. Under division, if we consider a and b belongs to whole number, then c should be also belongs to whole numbers. If it closure property hold in the case of division. Now let us see, a equals to 1 and b equals to 2, then a divided by b, that is when a is divided by b, our answer is c, then that c should be belongs to whole number. Now let us check. So here 1 divided by 2, this should be, if it is a under closure property. So 1 divided by 2 is 1 upon 2, and therefore c is 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 is not a whole number, क्योंकि हम does not hold. Next property is commutative. Under addition, A plus B should be equal to B plus A for A and B belongs to whole number. Only in that condition commutativity hold in addition. Now if A is 2 and B is 3, then A plus B equals to 2 plus 3, which is cos equal to 5. Now if we consider B plus A, then that will be 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. That means A plus B equal to B plus A. So under addition commutativity hold. Yes, commutativity hold. Now let us consider the case of subtraction. That is, for A and B belongs to whole number, then A minus B should be equal to B minus A. Let us consider an example. A is 2, B is 3. Then A minus B will be 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. Now B minus A, that will be 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So here 1 is not equal to minus 1. That means A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So does not hold. Commutativity does not hold under the case of subtraction in a whole number. Now let us do the case of multiplication. That is, A and B belongs to W, then A multiplied by B, that will be equal to B multiplied by A. अगर हम A को 2 मानते हैं, B को 5 मान रहे हैं, then 2 multiplied by 5, that is A multiplied by B is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 10. Now B multiplied by A will be 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. So left hand side equal to right hand side, that is A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. That means yes, multiplication hold under commutativity. Now let us solve for the division. अगर A और B belong करते हैं whole number को, then A divided by B should be equal to B divided by A. If A is 1, B is 2, then A divided by B is equal to 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. Now B divided by A will be equals to 2 divided by 1, which is 2. So here 1 by 2 is not equal to 2. So hence A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So now commutativity does not hold under division in case of whole numbers. Now let us do associativity. Associative. Under addition, A plus B plus C equals to A plus B plus C for some A, B, C belongs to whole number set. तो अगर ये कंडीशन इसके इक्वल आती है अंडर एडिशन, देन एसोसिएटिविटी होल्ड इन केस ऑफ होल नंबर under addition. Now let A is 2, B is 3 and C is 5. Then left hand side को अगर हम सॉल्व करें तो ये हमारा आ गया 2 plus 3 plus 5. Then 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 2 will be 10. Now right hand side will be A plus B plus C, which is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. So 10 is equal to 10. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So under addition, associativity hold in case of whole number. Now let us do case of multiplication. For some A, B, C belongs to whole number, then A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. So here C. Now left hand side. Let A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. Then 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. That will be equal to 2 multiplied by 5, 3 is 15, which is equal to 30. Now A, taking right hand side, A multiplied by B, bracket multiplied by C, which is equal to A multiplied by B will be 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now 2 into 3 will be 6 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 30. So 30 is equal to 30, so left hand side equal to right hand side. So under multiplication also associativity hold in case of whole numbers. Now let us do distributive property. For some A, B and C belongs to whole number, A multiplied by B plus C under addition, that is equal to AB plus AC. अगर distributive hold कर रहा है under addition, then this property should be hold. Now अगर A हमारा 2 आ रहा है, B हमारा 3 आ रहा है, C 4 है, then 2 multiplied by B plus C will be 3 plus 4, that will be equal to 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Now taking right hand side, AB, that means AB plus AC, this is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. AB is 2 multiplied by 3 and AC is 2 multiplied by 4. So 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 is equal to 14, that means left hand side is equal to right hand side. One thing more, in this addition and multiplications are continuing simultaneously. So distributive hold in this case, in case of whole numbers. Now let us do case of subtraction. That is for some A, B, C belongs to whole number, then A into B minus C will be equal to AB minus AC. अगर under subtraction distributive property hold कर रही है, तो left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Now let A is 2, B is 7, C is 5. Then 2 multiplied by 7 minus 5, that will be equal to 7 minus 5 is 2. So here it will be 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4. Now solving right hand side, AB minus AC, that will be equal to AB is 2 multiplied by 7 minus AC is 2 multiplied by 5. 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10. So here will be 4. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So by assuming these examples, in case of subtraction, distributive property hold.